Today, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to set up dozens of websites just like the one that you're seeing right now, where hundreds of articles will be created and published all on autopilot for you. You will be able to monetize your website with ads, automation links. You can research keywords and change the design of your website to match your own branding. Now, in case you're interested, make sure to check out the link in the description of this video. It will redirect you to my website where you can find more information about this product, the pricing, the available upgrades, coupons, and also some bonuses that you're going to get if you pick this up through my link. For now, let's dive into my Eblog review. So right now I'm logged into the dashboard, and the first thing that you want to do here is you want to create a website, and you can add multiple sites to your account. I already created 2 websites, but you simply click on create site, and from here you can give your site a name, a blog URL, which will be a sub blog on Eblog AI. However, you are also able to run this on your own domain, which is highly recommended. You can choose your niche, your target audience, the tone that you want to write in here, just some basic information, and you click on create site and your website is being created. I already done that. I'm going to be on this health and fitness blog, and this is the website that has been created for me. So when I click on an article, you can see this article has been written, all done by AI for me. So that's what we're going to do, and that's what I'm going to show you as well in this video. Now, there are lots of options in here, like ads, auto links, automation, keyword tools. Here are more options as well. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you the automations part, because within the automations part, you can let AI do all the work for you, which is super cool. So here you can see that there are already tasks in here. So for example, when I click on view tasks, you can see that these 2 articles have been written and posted for me already. But to create a task, you simply click on create task, and here you say, I want to hire the AI to write for me. So we're going to give this task a name. So we're going to say fitness articles, and we need to choose the website that we want to publish this to. So let's say you have 10 websites. You need to pick one of those 10 websites. In this case, we're going to publish this to health and wellness. And then from here, if you want to automate everything and you don't want to do anything manually, you go for the keyword and you simply do here fitness articles. And what that will do, you can say, for example, I want to have 21 articles about fitness. Then it's going to write 20 articles automatically for you, and you can auto post them. It's super easy. So you simply say, okay, the length here, you can say I want to have 2 to 3 sections, or maybe 3 to 5 sections. You can choose that in here. You can enable introduction and enable a conclusion. When you click on next here, you can choose the language. Now, only English is supported. And here you can choose the tone. So you can say, I want to do SEO optimized, professional, or excited. Any of these. In this case, I would do SEO optimized in here. You can choose your writing style in here. You can choose the audience. So you can say exactly to who you want to write for. And in the next screen here, you can decide what and when to post. So you can say, for example, I only want to post on Mondays, Wednesdays, and on Fridays, and those 3 days. Or you want to do it every single day, you simply do it like this. And then you can also say how many posts you would like to post on each day. So you can say, I want to have 2 blog articles being posted to my website automatically every single day. And the first post article needs to be published at 9 a.m., for example. And then the second post, you can do that later in the afternoon. Let's say you want to do that 4 p.m. And then you simply click on done here, and it will write all the 21 articles for you, and it will post it to your blog, and you don't have to do anything about it. That's the most easy way to use this if you want to go on autopilot. There is another option as well. Let's go back, and that's what I want to show you as well. Instead of keyword here, you can also say, I want to write about specific topics. And then here you can enter your topics. So let me copy and paste a few that I have here. So for example, this is my first topic here, quick fitness hacks for busy professionals. And then you can say, I want to add another topic in here, and we paste this in here. So transform your body 5 steps to fast results. Then we want to have a third one, so a third topic in here. I'm going to paste that in here as well, the ultimate guide to quick home workouts. So right now we have 3 articles. You can do as many as you like. But let's keep the example with 3 articles. You can see here 3 articles, the settings the same. You can say, okay, I want to have it long, short, etc. Click on next. Here are the same options and on next. And here you can choose exactly the same. So you can say, I want to have Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, for example, for these 3 articles. I want to post 1 article a day, and I want to do that in the morning at 9 a.m. And I'm going to click on done. And now these 3 articles, when I click on view task here, these 3 articles will be created for me and will be posted on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 9 a.m. automatically for me. Now, once the articles has been created, you can see them in here under your posts. So here you can see the posts. So you can see here, these 2 have been created for me as well. So what you can do is you can click on edit, and now you can modify these posts. You can do anything to it. You can add images, etc. to your post, and then you can update or you can publish them automatically as well. In this case, I'm not going to do that. Just wanted to show you that you can edit and modify these posts. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how you can use Eblog also to create manually articles, but with the help of AI as well. It's also super simple and very useful. So when I click on add new post, so you go to posts here, you click on add new post. Now you can write any article you would like to write about. So let me grab another title here. So let's say I want to write about this. Rapid results, how to jumpstart your fitness journey. So I can click on the plus button in here, and from here you get all these options like the AI writer, AI image creation, headers. You can add images and upload images, code blocks, dividers, quotes, bullet lists, ordered lists, all the options that you need to write beautiful articles and posts. So in this case, I'm going to do the AI writer. And here it says, tell me what you want to write about. So I'm going to do this. Write an article with the title, Rapid Results, How to Jumpstart Your Fitness Journey. I can select the tone in here. So in this case, I like to have this inspirational. And I'm going to click on Generate Content. Now the content generator will write the article for me. And there you go. Here is the article that is being created for me. Here you can see everything and you can modify this. So let's say we want to have this as an H2. We can, first of all, when you select things in here, you can make this bold, italic, underline. You can link this to external sites. You have all the options in here. But let's say you want to have an H2 in here. You can click on this plus button in here. I would say I want to have an H2 header. And now you paste it in here. And look at this. Now it's an H2 header. So we have everything in here. But let's say we like to have this intro. When you select this, you also have this AI tool where you can say, I want to simplify this or want to fix spelling and grammar. If you've typed this yourself, you make this longer. You can make this shorter. You can make this longer. So you can choose with these options. So when you click make shorter, it's going to make it shorter, as you can see. Now it's a shorter introduction. So you have these AI tools in here as well. So you can say, for example, here, if you like to add images, you simply set your mouse, you press enter, you click on plus, and now you can also generate an image with AI. So let's say I want to have a fitness, let's say 2 women in fitness outfit close up here, and we're going to click on generate image. Now the image generator will generate an image for us here. You see this? So this is a little bit strange one, and we know that with AI. So you can do it a few times here. So let's say fitness outfit. Oh, shoot. I need to add the image, of course, again. There you go. And now this image has been created. It looks way better, right? So you can add these images through your blog. You can also upload the images. So when you click on the plus here, you also have the normal image option in here. You can add dividers. So now there's a divider in here on your blog. You can add the bullet points, etc. But once you're ready, you go to the settings part here at the right side. So in here, you can add your cover image. So you can choose one here. So you can choose this one, but we already have this in our blog article. So you could choose any one. You can go to Unsplash. You can say, I want to have fitness. And you can search for fitness image in here. So let's say you want to have one of these. Let's say we want to use this one. Click on download, and now it will be in your media library. You select it and insert your media. And now this will be used as your image to promote your article. Now you can change the post URL in here for SEO purposes. You can change the publish date, but you can also do that in here when you publish your post. The tags here, you can select tags or you can add tags if you like. You simply type them in here. You can also select the author. So in this case, this is me. And here you have the categories that it will be posted in. You can disable comments. You can mark this post as featured. You have your SEO settings like your primary keywords, secondary keywords, description, etc. You have your code injection in here as well. If you like to have something in the header or in the footer, you can simply add that. And once you're ready here, you simply click on publish, and then you can choose if you want to publish this now or you want to publish this at a later date. So for now, let's publish this. And now it says post is published. So when we go to the website, we go to the home screen, you can see there is the featured image. This is the post. We can open this post and there it is. It has been all written for us. Here you can see the divider here, everything that we've added. And this has been created on our website with AI, super fast, as you can see. Now here you also have SEO settings. So in this case, this is totally not SEO optimized, but it gives you all the tips here, how you can optimize the article that you just wrote yourself here. Let's say the content is 627 words long. So it could be a little bit longer, missing some keywords not found in the headings, etc. So this helps you to optimize your article for SEO. Also in the link section here, you can see which links are broken, if they're redirects, etc. So it gives you an insight in each post. So that's everything about creating your content for your website. Now let's dive into all the features that comes with Eblog. So here at the left top here, we see ads, we see auto links, we see automations, keywords, so the automation parts that we just used. But honestly, the first thing that you want to do when you want to write articles, you need to do some keyword research, right? So when I click on keyword tools, you can do keyword research in here. So when I do, for example, weight loss tips, and I click on search here, it will give me insights in this keyword. There you go. So here you can see weight loss pills, for example, is a high competition. It has a high CPC as well, but not the best one to try to rank for. So here you can see all the ones, some are high, some are medium. Here you have a low one, weight loss exercise. So this looks like an easier one to rank for. You can click on view here so that you can see, okay, this is the volume here, the CPC, the competition, the keyword difficulty, which is a little bit more difficult as you can see in here. You get some other statistics in here as well, plus related keywords. So you can also say, okay, I'm going to write an article about this topic, and I'm going to also write an article about these related topics as well, related keywords. So that's one thing that you can do. And also when you do the keyword research, you can also say, okay, this is a low one. When you click these three dots, you can say auto block keyword. And when I click this, it's going to write an article automatically for this keyword. So that's super cool. So that's the keyword tools. You can also save your keywords tool in saved keywords so you can work on them later as well. Then let's go from the top to the bottom. We have the ads part where you can add ads to your website to monetize your blog. So when I click on create ad here, I have the option to upload images and redirect that. I can add Google AdSense to my website or a custom code. In this case, I'm going to show you the image. When we go to next, we can give this ad a name. So let's say weight loss or fitness training. We're going to give this image a URL or pick one. So I already uploaded one here. So this is my fitness training. I'm going to insert that image and then the target URL. Now, when you do this, you can link to your affiliate offers. You can link to external websites where you're going to get paid for people that you redirect to those websites when they fill out surveys or other things. This is how you monetize your ads, or how you monetize your blog. So I just do my own website, but you got the idea, right? This can be an affiliate link or any other link. You can open this in a new tab or open in the same tab. You can say, okay, this is a no follow link or a do follow link. With SEO, you probably want to choose no follow link and you click on next. And from here in this screen, you can choose the position where you want to place this ad. So you can do this at the sidebar top. You can do this at the sidebar bottom. You can do a layout of the top, or maybe after a post or before a post, or a layout at the bottom. So in this case, I'm going to do sidebar bottom. Let's do sidebar top here. When I click next here, I can choose the site that I want to publish this to. So remember, I got two sites in here. I got health and wellness and finances and investing. So in this case, I'm going to do health and wellness and this in here. But I can also say I want to also publish this on this site. This way I can publish them on both sites at the same time. In this case, I'm going to do health and wellness, and I'm going to click done. So right now my ads are being displayed on my website. So when I go to my website here and I refresh my website, look what happens. It now has the ad at the right top of my website. Everywhere they visit my website, when they read my articles, they see the ad on my website. I can redirect them and I can earn money straight from my blog. So that is how you set up ads on your website. The next one is the auto links part. So here you can see weight loss products. So when you click on create link, and let me open this one, you will be able to give your link a name and then a URL. So you can redirect a keyword, a matching text here. So let's say I'm going to do weight loss. Here, this is one word, apply on all sites. When I update this, it means that the word weight loss products, or I should have done the keyword weight loss products, when the words weight loss products are anywhere on my website, this automatically becomes a link that is redirecting to the website that you specify inside of the settings here. So whatever you put in this URL, it will redirect to. So you can say, I want to point every link to this article to build authority to this article. But you can also say, hey, I want to point that link here. I want to point that to an affiliate offer. So every time they see weight loss products, those words will be redirected to an affiliate link where they can purchase weight loss offers. And that is how you can add auto links to your website. Then we have the other tools, and these are website related tools. So we have the dashboard in here, which is not much right now. And then we have posts and pages. Now there is a difference between posts and pages. So what we just created were all posts, but pages are different pages. Like we have terms and conditions, privacy policy, contact us, about us page, etc. So let's add a new page in here. Let's say our training program. So let's say we have a training program that we want to add to the top of our website, and we're going to click create. And right now I can start writing the information about the page. And this works exactly the same as writing a blog article. So I can say here, I'm going to use the AI writer, and it says, tell me what to write about. So I'm going to say, let's say, write a page for my website about our 7-day fitness program. And I'm going to select the tone in here. So let's say I want to have this informative. I'm going to click on generate content, and now it will write the page information for me. And this helps me to create the content for my page. It's super useful. So there it is. Our 7-day training day fitness program. Of course, you can modify this. You can add the images. This works exactly the same. I mean, you could do enter, you could add images and all the other stuff in here. But for now, let's just save this page here. And now it's ready. Now, when we go to my website here, you can see it's still not at the top menu here. And that's because you can choose what you would like to have in the menus. So when I go to menus in here, you can see I have those 3 in here. So when I click on add menu link, I can now say our 7-day training program or our training program. I can say I want to link this to an external site. I want to link this to a category, or in this case, I want to link to another page. And now we can select the page in here. I can choose from these pages. So I'm going to select our training program, and I want to add this to the header menu. You can also add this to the footer menu, which is here at the bottom here, where you can add that as well. We like to add this to the top. So I'm going to say here, the header menu and create link. And right now it's on our website. When I refresh the website here, you can see our training program. Now I like to have the about or the contact part at the right side. So you can do this super easy. You simply click on this button here, and now the contact is at the bottom. When I go back to my website, I refresh this page, and look at this. We have our menu here, as you can see here, home, about us, our training program, and contact here at the right side. So that is how you set up your menus inside of your website. So that's the first 4: dashboard, post, pages, menus, and then categories. Now, these are the categories that have been created automatically for you when you set up your website. For text, exactly the same. So these are being created automatically for you as well. And you can add new tags here as well if you'd like to. And then The final thing here is the design part. Now you can modify your site so beautifully. You can change so many things on the design of your site. It's very flexible and you can match this to your own branding. So as you can see here, I've opened this. And from here, you have all the different settings here. So let's start at the top here by presets and blocks. Now, when you go to presets here, you can choose between two themes at this moment that you can apply. I'm not going to do that because my site is as it is today right now. The second thing is the blocks here. So as you can see here, these are the blocks. So we already decided to have this one at the top. And then we have our recent posts here. And then we have connect with me and the categories. Now that's all what you can add here. So when you click on add block, you can also do about. And then when I add that, it will add the about here as well. So you can write here more about you. I can also delete that one. I can say, okay, delete that. I can also say, I don't want to have my recent articles here. And that means that my recent articles are gone now. I can actually delete everything in here. If I don't like to have this in here, simply delete this. And now I only have my ad at the right top. Or I can go to add block. I can say I want to have my recent post in here. And look at this. There's my recent post. I can say I want to have my categories as well. And there you go. You have your categories as well. So that's the first part at the top, the blocks. Then you have all these other settings in here for these specific tabs. So when you click on page here, I can modify anything. So first you have the page layout where you can say, I want to have a side flex, for example, which means that you have the menu or the menu here at the left side and your articles here at the right side. And you can scroll between this one. There you can change all the colors in here if you like to. So you can say the background color needs to be black. You can do that. You can change the text color or the body color here if you like to change those colors as well. You can do that. The content background color, let's say you want to have that red or whatever color you would like to have this, it is all possible here. You can change this and match this to your own branding. Also the text color here, if you like to change that on the blog post, etc., you can change that all in here. I'm going back here. I'm going to refresh my screen so I'll get back to the older settings and let's go to the menu. So this is the top menu that you're seeing right here. So you can change the link colors. Yeah, I think that this is in the menu, in the sub menu that you're having right here. These colors can be changed inside of the header here. So you could say the header background color. You can also make this red, or maybe you want to make this more like a purple if you want to do this for women. You can say, I want to have the text color. I want to change that in here. So if there's text on there, you can change the link color. So you can make that red or whatever color you like. As you can see, basically anything on your page can be changed. You can change the bar size here as well. You can make that bigger, change the color of that as well. So let's say you want to make that blue or whatever color you like. And this is becoming ugly right now, but just want to show you the options in here. So that's the header part. So the footer, exactly the same here for this part. You can say the background color. If you want to have that black as well and change the text to white here and then the links to white. Now we have a beautiful black footer as well. And we can change all of that in here. So this way you can change each element, also the cards here at the right side. If you want to change that, you can change the width here of the borders. You can say, I want to have more shadows here. You can say the background card color here. If you'd like to change that and you want to make that more like a purple color, you can do that. Basically, anything can be modified in here. Anything can be changed. So let's say we want to have that black. The header text color, you see you can change that. The content background color, if you want to have this white, you can see all these elements can be changed. You can change the padding here, left, right, top, bottom, etc. That's of the cards of the post. If it's in list mode, you can change that in here as well. So let's say you want to have the post more like this setup. You can change all the details in here. As you can see, content, background, colors, etc. So it's very flexible. The categories as well. If you want to change the categories, colors, backgrounds, etc. Recent posts, all of these can be modified so that you can change it to your branding and to what you like. Now I'm going to refresh this because this is how I like to see it. This is, in my opinion, how it looks good. But that's how you can modify the look and feel of your website as well. And that's basically what Eblog is all about. It allows you to set up blogs super quickly. You can automate the process for 100% by choosing keywords. You can choose the topics yourself. Let's say you write 5 articles, or maybe you want to write it yourself and blog your own, put your own articles on your blog. Everything is possible, as you can see. Now, again, if you're interested, check out the link in the description. It will redirect you to my website where you can find all the information like pricing, available upgrades, coupons, also some freebies that you're going to get. If you pick this up through my link, you're going to get that as well. So make sure to check that out. Also, please hit a thumbs up if this video was useful to you. I do a lot of product reviews. It helps me to rank my videos, to get more views and eyeballs to my videos. And if you like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do a lot of product reviews similar to this one for marketing products, etc. Simply subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. And that's it for now. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and talk soon. Cheers.